Hey everyone, this is Vineet here from Xboom Utilities Private Limited. Today we'll be unboxing the Secure Eye BW15, that is a body-worn camera. Please note, this is just an unboxing video as I won't be talking about the technical specifications. Firstly, we have the product itself. For now, I'll be keeping the product aside as we'll take a look what's inside the box. We have this cute little packaging here. Let's go through each of the products one by one. Firstly, we have the adapter here. I'll just keep the adapter outside. Here we have the charging dock where we are going to place our camera inside for charging. This is the mount that is going to be placed on the camera. Moving on, we have the clip that is going to be used to place the camera at your desirable place. We have the USB 2.0. This is going to be used for your charging. Apart from this, there's a small user manual which I highly recommend everyone should go through it. Now let's take a look at the camera itself. So the BW15 has a TFT LCD display. It has various buttons that have different kind of functionalities. Anyways, thank you for watching this video guys. I'll appreciate if you hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.